Now let's welcome Ms. Sunita G. Kumar Garu. She is the chairperson and founder of Ma Research Foundation. She transformed hundreds of hearing impaired children with her pioneering cochlear implant work, achieving a 100% success rate. Through her NGO, she supported 4,000 plus micro ear surgeries and 600 plus cochlear implants, offering free rehabilitation to those in need. A recipient of the Women Entrepreneur Award and APJ Abdul Kalam Award, Ms. Kumar's passion and purpose continue to inspire us all. Please welcome Sunita Garu.
So I'm here today to talk about amplifying impact. This is an initiative for hearing and inclusion. Slide. So Sarvendriyanam Nayanam Pradhanam is what people say, but equally as hearing is also important. She comes running and says, "Man, there's an audio glitch." But no, the video doesn't have any sound. This is how people with hearing loss or children with hearing loss feel. The next slide, please. 5 out of every 1,000 born with hearing loss, profound hearing loss. A lack of babies born in India every year, and this counts 23% of hearing disability of India. And yes, this is the reality of silence. Hearing loss is invisible, but it is deeply isolating. Majority of the times, children who can't hear, they really don't know that they cannot hear, and they isolate themselves out of the groups. Hence, the communication is lost. Hence, they are not in the schools, not the regular activities, and they are completely outstreamed from the mainstream. The next slide, please. So, yes, the hearing loss, there is management of hearing loss. I'm sure many of you all have heard this word hearing aids, the most common part, but there is another one which is called cochlear implants. Hearing aids is just an amplifying device, wherein cochlear implants is a electronic medical device which actually, transforms the sound into signals and then process it into the brain. So it's a more technical device. And not only hearing, so you get hearing with cochlear implants, but with intensive rehabilitation is when the speech actually comes. The next slide. And what are the challenges we face when we actually look into this problem? It is majority of the times the families are not affordable. Hearing aids are somehow affordable, but cochlear implants are a bit expensive. So, this delays the treatment of the hearing loss, hence, the speech is delayed, hence, the regular activity is delayed, and isolation happens. So, we lose the very critical period of the hearing and development of speech. And once you do not have this regular speech development, you are not mainstreamed. Next slide. So, where do these children fit in? So, we work towards inclusion. How? Once you have a fully integrated system that brings them opportunity for inclusion and they are mainstream. What is the impact that can be created? With these kind of programs, once you reach the out, can we go to the next slide? This is what we have already done. So the government supports a lot of schemes. There are wonderful schemes which are run. But the obstacle is not everyone are approachable to these schemes and not every household knows about these schemes. However, these programs, I think it's hardly around 10% where these interventions are actually happening. We need structured newborn hearing programs for us to identify at a very early stage. The key is early identification, key is early intervention. And hardly, very few NGOs provide end-to-end care because of various sustainable hardships is what I can mention. Can we just go to the... So how do you amplify this impact? Regular conduction of screening camps, the early detection is what we're talking. Awareness programs, the accessibility to care and maintenance of this devices. Rehabilitation, which is the utmost important thing. And collaboration for research, for evidence-based hearing care, for holistic outcomes. And here the Amplifying Impact initiative ensures lasting success. Here are the children with cochlear implants who have not only regained hearing, but also have overcome the communication barriers and enhanced life. Thank you so much. From silence to sustainability, we were talking about a CSR opportunity to create more impact. Thank you.